we're going in. Let's go. Let's go in. Go in, Tyler. I'm last in. I'm gonna be last in because I'm just gonna hit the air horn. I'm just gonna we're just going in. Be careful. Just remember slamming the back sides together. Be hilarious. Hurry up, dude. Oh, here come the jitters. Oh yeah. Go get in there. Listen, Jamie. Jamie, you got your ears plugged. Good. Go. Come on, guys. Go. 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 Shh. 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 Quiet, guys. Come on, dude. Go. Shut your light over. See him? You got him. Hey, do you see him? Get the picture. Shh.
Hey guys,
What?
those air horns,
Yeah.
they can hurt eardrums, so just make sure it's not too close to anybody.
Okay. I'll have to go in the hallway. Yeah. Shh. Guys, I have to get around. Guys, don't do anything yet.
Or yeah, ceiling or something.
I'll get right here. You know what? No, I'm gonna hit I'm aiming at the ceiling. Get my sleep. Ready? Get my sleeping dream. No, too late.
Good crap. Get the light, get the light. Where is it? It's right there, right there. There we go.
Like everybody.
Alright, block the door with the chair. The only two sleeping beauties in the whole stinking place. That was good. That was good, boys. We got him.
Nobody screamed.
That's okay. Dude, I got